In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Global Health Delivery course on Harvard Online and how you can get officially Harvard certified after completing it. This is a great option if you're interested in public health, healthcare leadership, or global health systems, and you want a recognized certificate from Harvard to boost your profile. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from finding the course to enrolling and completing it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more step-by-step software and education tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Online website. You can do this by typing harvardonline.harvard.edu/course into your address bar and pressing enter. This is Harvard's official platform where they host online courses from different Harvard schools, including health, business, and computer science. Make sure you're on the correct website to avoid any fake or third-party platforms. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses along with a search bar. Go ahead and click on the search bar and type in Global Health Delivery. As you type, the platform may start suggesting relevant courses. Look for the course titled Global Health Delivery and click on it to open the course page. On the course page, you'll find detailed information about the program. Take a moment to review the course overview, what you'll learn, the duration, and the workload. This course is designed to teach you how healthcare systems deliver care in real-world global settings, with a focus on improving health outcomes in low-resource environments. You'll also see information about who the course is for, which is helpful if you're a student, healthcare professional, or policymaker. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the course page and click on it. At this point, you'll be prompted to either sign in or create a Harvard Online account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your email and password. If not, follow the steps to create a new account by entering your basic details like your name and email address. After signing in, you'll be taken to the enrollment and payment section. Here, you'll need to fill in your personal details and complete the payment process. The course may offer different enrollment options, such as an audit track or a verified certificate track. To become Harvard certified, make sure you select the option that includes a verified certificate. Review the pricing carefully, then enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. Once your enrollment is successful, you'll gain full access to the course content. You can now start learning at your own pace, watching the lectures, completing assignments, and participating in any required assessments. Make sure you complete all the required modules and activities, as this is essential to qualify for the certificate. After you successfully finish the course and meet all the requirements, you'll receive your official Harvard certificate for Global Health Delivery. This certificate can be shared on your resume, LinkedIn profile, or professional portfolio to showcase your achievement and your commitment to global health education. And that's it. That's how you access the Global Health Delivery course on Harvard Online and become Harvard certified step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might be interested in earning a Harvard certificate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.